I'm Nilofer from Me with a Pencil. Today we are going to be painting a simple and easy landscape. This is a beginner friendly landscape, so anybody can paint this. The materials that we'll be using for this painting is 100% cotton paper. You can also use a 25% cotton paper. I've taped my paper from all four sides using a masking tape, a fresh bowl of water, your watercolor set, and some brushes. I'll be using a mop brush, a flat brush, a thin brush, and a liner brush. So I don't have a liner brush. Instead, I'll be using a Princeton Velvetouch brush. You can use any liner brush; it's fine. So the flat brush I'll be using for the trees. Now let's begin. For colors, I'll be using a bright yellow, also Indian yellow, a bright red, or a Windsor red, either. Then a brown, like a Vandayke brown, or a burnt sienna, and then a bit of Paynes grey for the textures. And finally, to give the ground touch, we'll be using Voilet magenta or a mauve color. This is going to be my color palette. thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post every week new content, and don't forget to sign off your painting. See you next week. Thank you and bye bye.